Hello everyone, welcome to my week 4 video. What is your favorite plate? For my favorite plate, I've chose the Nazca plate. The Nazca plate is named after the Nazca region of Peru. The Nazca plate is an oceanic tectonic plate in the southeast Pacific Ocean that shares both convergent and divergent boundaries, corners multiple triple junctions, and contains 3 cement chains. It also overrides 4 hotspots and is also part responsible for the creation of the Andean orogeny. That is an ongoing process of orogeny that began in the early Jurassic era and is responsible for the rise of the Andes Mountains. The orogeny is driven by a reactivist of long-lived subduction system along the western margin of South America. The Nazca Plate is bound on the west by the Pacific Plate and to the south by the Antarctic Plate. It is also through the East Pacific Rise and the Chile Rise, respectively. One other reason the Nazca Plate is my favorite plate is because it is responsible for making small volcanic islands in the area that it covers, which is pretty cool because the creation of islands, I don't know. I think that's pretty cool.